Alright, so everything in the garage really needs to try to be as multi-purpose as possible for the vast amounts of space I have in here. So I'm thinking I've got 4 attachments now that I use regularly and some less regularly. And they all have to do with where I have to put this table now. And this, I put it off the right side because that way I can put my material off this side and swing it over. I'm gonna put some 2.5-inch square tubing here and there, working height. And I might do one at the base on each side, but I'm also gonna upgrade these. I put the casters on it. The casters are fine, but these little pieces of angle are what come with a 20-ton press. And they're probably fine if it sits on the ground, but on some casters, it ain't so hot. So what I'm gonna do is, I got some leftover thin wall square tubing. I'm gonna do a little upgrading. Another reason I wanted to build these was so I could get a little more height out of them. As you can see, this thing's about a little over chest high. And whenever I'm working on using that brake, I like to be up close to it, make sure everything's square. So now, we'll get at least another 4 inches or so. That'd be pretty nice. So let's get this thing bolted up. All right, so far, pretty good. This thing, I'm telling you, you can do this right here. Before would have about tipped this thing over. This is awesome. Super simple. Some square tubing I've had laying around for a year. Just some little tabs, simple bolt up. Some $50 Amazon casters. I mean, they're pretty nice because not only do they lock when you hit the brake, but they also keep them from rotating. Super sweet. Very, very content with that. I'm gonna hold off on the square tubing for now. The feet, that worked out great. But the square tubing, I'm also gonna put some trays, and I'm gonna use the Swag Offroad Brake and do a video of how I've so far learned to use it, because there's not a bunch of how to use a brake videos that I could find, you know, and I'll just show what works best for me. But I'm probably gonna make some trays that go under here or something, because that's all this is gonna do is be used for this brake. I don't plan on using it for a press. And I'm gonna do the square tubing off the side and maybe a couple of other things under there. And other than that, it's sturdy as all get out. Very happy with it, rolls good, locks good, and it's a more workable height. That way you can get in here and really check and make sure you're square and everything with your pieces. I like this a lot. Thanks for watching.